Bread improver is a mix of various acids and enzymes that serve to strengthen the gluten in the flour and feed the yeast, both of which yield a better loaf. The idea is to give bread a similar texture and taste to sourdough-based loaves, without having to go through the laborious feeding process usually involved with that method. For more information, look at this Wikipedia, see link 1. Article. I'm surprised to see these marketed at the home baker. One of the reasons to be making your own bread is to avoid all the unnecessary junk commercial bread contains. Admittedly, some of them might be relatively natural things, but it's still definitely unnecessary. There's a good description of improvers in this article on gluten development, see link 1. The main point is that they generally facilitate gluten development, resulting in dough with a stronger texture with less effort.